Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tengku Suriati Binti Tengku Yusoff from Polytechnic Kota Baru, Kelantan. Today I want to present my article. The title of my article is Analyzing Concrete Defect of Forensic Engineering Case Study of Kias Building. First, I go to introduction. Okay, concrete is very important in construction because it considers the strength, durability, and versatility supporting the structural integrity of the building global across various applications. Okay, the problem statement: defect the study investigate concrete defect in the Nilampuri National Islamic College Kias building using forensic engineering technique. Defect in the Kias building pose a risk to structural integrity and occupant safety. Objective: to investigate a concrete defect in Kias building using forensic engineering in define defect to type, cause, maintenance, challenges, and develop prioritization framework for systematic maintenance planning. Okay, go to the research objective and scope. The objective including in identifying and the type of the defect observed in the concrete structure and pinpointing their underlying causes, which may stem from environmental factor, material, quality, or construction practice. Okay, the scope of this research is confined to the concrete structure within the Kias campus, utilizing forensic engineering principle and building condition assessment or BCA method to ensure an in-depth analysis. Okay, Google to case study Kias building. The Kias building presented several defects that required through investigation, where this case study highlight the finding from inspection and test experiencing the importance of early detection and proactive maintenance to prevent further deterioration by using forensic engineering and building condition assessment or BCA method. Okay, go to the impact of concrete defect. Actually, concrete defect can lead to serious consequences including structural failure, increased maintenance costs, and potential safety hazard, where understanding this impact is essential for stakeholders to prioritize investigation and implement effective repair solutions. Okay, go to finding or result. Okay, go to finding the result. We look the result where the refer the table 1 show where metric analysis on building component physical and condition maintenance priority action where show the building condition score range from 1 to 5, indicating the best possible condition and the poorest condition. Well, the maintenance priority action score range from 1 to 5, indicating the highest level of agents for maintenance action. The metric standards the assessment of building component provided a clear framework for prioritizing maintenance action. There is sure where support sustainable building management practice and enhance structure longevity. Okay. Go to building classification framework table 2, where category building based on physical condition and maintenance needs range where very good rating to very poor. Okay. 8 essential current state of a structure and align age category with recommended maintenance action, whereby chart show visualize qualification and maximum score range. Very good building required only prevented maintenance, benefit from routine check and manual upkeep. Go to 1 until 5 very good, 6 until 10 good, 11 until 15 fair, 16 until 20 poor, and 21 until 25 very poor. Okay. Okay. Result and discussion. From the investigation of body condition at Binti location Kias, primarily finding reversification structure issue in the administration building of Binti where found crack pattern was absorbed between the wall and column, indicating severe structures perivision. Okay, a visual inspection was conducted to support their observation using the building condition assessment BCA manual. Okay, the BCA manual allow for a systematic analysis of structure condition focused on a visual sign of distress, deformation, and potential structure failure. Okay. Conclusion and recommendations. Actually, forensic engineering is crucial for detecting and mitigating concrete defect, ensure structure, safety, and durability. Here, advanced technique and building condition assessment enable early detection and informed maintenance. Environmental factor and material definition contribute to concrete duration, necessity, innovative material, and sustainable practice. The future advanced like predictive analytics will improve defect management and maintenance strategy. Okay, that is all. Thank you.